I don't know about you, but I am always forgetting to order my pump supplies on time. Or worse, sometimes I realise I'm completely out of supplies and there's no delivery on the way. And also, sometimes I order my infusion sets and I forget to add reservoirs, but it would be so much easier if they both came at the same time. With all the daily tasks we have at work and home, it can be challenging to remember to place an order on time every time. That's why I use Auto Reorder, a great new functionality that Medtronic developed and added to their eShop that allows us to set and forget about our future orders. It makes life so much easier and helps me avoid the headache of placing new orders each time. Let me explain how it works. Auto Reorder allows you to add a group of items to your cart and place a recurring order so that every 90 days you will automatically receive your pump supplies. And to help you keep track of your orders, before the shipment is sent out, Medtronic will send a friendly reminder to let you know your products are on their way. Ready to set up your first Auto Reorder? Great! I'll show you how. Just follow these 3 simple steps. Log into your eShop account by clicking the sign-in link in the top right corner of the page. Add your items to the cart and advance to the checkout page. Follow the purchasing process, and when you reach the 3rd step of reviewing your order details, tick the checkbox to schedule a repeat shipment. Set the end date for the repeat order and complete your checkout. That's it! You're done! You no longer need to worry about running out of supplies or forgetting to place your order. Need to shift the shipment date or change the delivery address? Easy. Log back into your personal Auto Reorder dashboard. Make the changes you need, such as changing the date, the shipment address, or deleting your order. How easy was that? Auto Reorder. Set once and get your pump supplies straight to your doorstep right when you need them.